Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sunkara. In this video, we are going to discuss the consumer case decided by other country, Qatar Airways. This is a case against Qatar Airways. So, the case was filed in Beirut, Lebanon. Right. So, the heading of the case is like this: Qatar Airways, they are directed to pay compensation of about 1.68 lakhs. Not that, I think it's more. Anyway, we'll come to the 3 lakhs 7,018 rupees. So, Judge Renata Martins, she has ordered the Qatar Airways to pay compensation of around 3 lakhs to a woman who was a fatty woman, who was a bulky woman, due to which she was not allowed to board the flight. At the same time, she was asked to purchase 2 tickets for her seat. This happens. Previously also such incident I have seen, but I am not remembering it. But anyway, so her name is Julia Nehome or Julia Nehome. Julia Nehome. So, who was a bulky woman. She was not allowed to bound the Qatar Airways, supposed from Beirut to Doha. She was supposed to travel from Lebanon's capital Beirut to Doha. Actually, she purchased a ticket for $947 and she has taken the boarding pass, but at the time of before attending the boarding pass, so she was a bit fatty. So a seat was not sufficient for her. So the middle, the right armrest, it has to be left and then only it can be adjusted. But there are other passengers. So therefore, Qatar Airways refused her to travel in the second point. So if she wants to travel, she has to purchase the first class ticket, which is actually very comfortable and also very spacious. But she has to pay about $3,000. She has already paid $947. She has to pay almost $2,000 extra, which she is not able to do. And she said, so she is actually some activist. She said that she can adjust, but they said it's not possible, madam, because once you tie the belt, it should be below your navel portion. It cannot be like that. So therefore, they refused her. So anyway, unable to pay that $2,000, she has stayed back in Beirut along with her cousin. So now she alleged that the right to travel, her right to travel was denied by the Qatar Airways. She intimated the same to about 1.68 lakhs of her Instagram followers. She is a very activist. So she was advised to pay the first class ticket to fit in the sections of the larger seat. And when she refused, even they did not refund the $947 ticket for which she did not travel, so they have to give the refund amount. So she has paid the $947 for the economy seat. So they have not given back that amount also. Ultimately, she filed a case. She ended up staying in Lebanon with her cousin and a nephew also. So then she has filed a case stating that what a shame for a company like Qatar Airways to discriminate people of fatty body. Normally, according to Article 15 of the Constitution, we heard no discrimination should be there based on the race, sex, caste, religion, all these things. But fatty and non-fatty we have not discussed it. But here another topic has come. Therefore, saving clauses will be there only for this purpose. So, what a shame for a company like Qatar to discriminate the people of fatty body. Ultimately, she filed a case, no doubt. So, this happened on 22/11/2022. Very recently, just 1 month back. See, the judgment came on 20/12/2020, just within 1 month. Even 1 day short of 1 month, Judge Renata Martins. So she has conducted the inquiry. Ultimately, she ordered the Qatar Airways to pay 3,07,018 rupees for her psychotherapy because she was mentally affected. So she was asked to undergo the so-called psychotherapy treatment. Of course, lot of amount, for weeks also amount is necessary. Therefore, the judge ordered 3,07,080 rupees for the mental trauma she has undergone, and she has to undergo the therapy also. So the judge on behalf, the lawyer on behalf of Julia Nehome, he has claimed that it is a milestone judgment in a fight against the prejudice. So this has come in the New York Post. I have only basing on the paper knowledge. I am telling you, I don't know what happened actually, practically. But anyway, it is a good case for consumers. With this, I am concluding. Thank you very much.